Hello, my name is Martin and I'm the Surgical Sales Specialist for Haag-Streit UK. I'm here today to showcase the newest addition to Haag-Streit's surgical range, the METIS 900 microscope. The METIS 900 is designed to address the high demands of ophthalmic surgeons. It combines the superb quality of Haag-Streit optics with efficient workflows and exceptional ergonomics. A key feature of the METIS is the brilliant and homogeneous red reflex. It provides the surgeon with an optimal view and maximum contrast during surgery. The red reflex remains stable even with low light levels or as the eye moves off center. This is possible with the use of a unique, what we call 3 LED design. The LED illumination is long lasting and consumes significantly less energy, which ultimately supports a greener operating theatre. The colour rendition index of the METIS is the highest across all ophthalmic microscopes on the market. The combination of true-to-life colour renditioning and high-quality optics ensures maximum accuracy in visualization. At Haag-Streit, we are dedicated to designing devices that not only prioritise precision, but also ergonomics. We believe that clinician well-being is key to ensuring optimal patient outcomes. The METIS is engineered to support natural posture and reduce physical strain during a long day in the theatre. The microscope vertiscope brings the binoculars closer to the surgeon to allow upright, relaxed positioning of the neck and of the back. The surgeon maintains complete control of the microscope through fully programmable handpieces and a foot pedal, which offers wireless control of up to 14 functions. 8 hand switch buttons are programmable for efficient adjustment of the microscope, such as tilt, filters, depth of focus, and customizable profiles can be set up to suit the exact needs of each user. An individualized motorized tilt makes the METIS the ideal microscope for the glaucoma surgeon and for managing surgical procedures, even in patients with kyphosis. Preset tilt can be achieved with the touch of a button, and programmable hand switch controls can also allow precise tilt adjustments. The METIS is a modular design that can be configured to your needs. Optional add-ons include the assistant scope, the MIOS surgical imaging unit, which provides integrated 4K live view and recording, and the iBoss for wide-angle fundus visualization. We've recently launched a 3D digital heads-up module, and there are many more upgrades in development, including for toric alignment. So we're confident that your microscope will continue to evolve with your needs as a surgeon. Make METIS your next surgical microscope. Enjoy excellent visualization, ergonomic design, and lasting performance. Contact us to arrange an in-theatre demonstration of the METIS 900.